I wake up to see this news. We be like waiting with a word for film all along. Never knew people are still falling into this kind of trap. For me, I get 2 points where I won't make for this situation because it's ongoing. The quarrel between two guys. We want one girl, as if to say girl no fool everywhere nowadays. There are girls, even good ones, they. Only Satan go make two people they drag one thing. Yes, I know say good people are scarce, but there are still good. You can still pick up someone and make him better or make her better. I mean, the other side of that belief that say, I know will feel they fight for one thing that I know, even if it's not exact one, there are many other ones out there where someone is occupying. I saw one boy that made a post. Before you they build land, make sure say that land no be someone else's plot. I no go take side for this matter because that guy you see his picture, this one now, he a friend Amaka. This Amaka gift, and they did Dubai. This one helped her. Is helping her to her school or in her school, and he also helping her in her music career, social media kind of thing. He opened the story is here. So if you pause, you can also pause to read. You can also pause to read some of their explanation. This guy made a post trying to say what really happened, how this girl is a good singer, how he started promoting her music and opening the social media page and profile, trying to promote and do everything you can possibly read. It's long a little bit, but in the end, this our brother Max, will also do music, now moved to Dubai and joined her. Two of them now collaborated. Max never knew, say this guy is inside. But if I to say, you don't need to know. With only eyes, you feel still discover because some people they don't know who to blame. But for me, I don't blame three of them, and I go blame three of them. And here is how make me won't blame three of them. But first of all, make I say waiting I hear. Max, in one of the clip I saw, he say he don't know anything about their relationship. They never mentioned it anywhere, anyhow. Even one of the voice audio that he released, he was also trying to say that the man did not mention their relationship there. But in this man's explanation, this man said that two of them agreed to keep the relationship private because she is a woman of God, a minister in the church, so that they play low level until she finish her degree for university. But as he is waiting, now I blame him for knowing that somebody is in and you did not say anything. You must be able to come out bold and clear. You know, when Davido sing a song, Amaka disappoint me, or whether not Two-Face, Two Baba sing, Amaka disappoint me, yeah, confusion. There is one song that they say, Jim, I am sorry, oh, aga m enye gị ego ka ịnụta nwaanyị ọzọ. I'm sorry, oh, hey. This is literally what is going on. It has been long that we know, oh, you help a lady into school, and after helping her or helping him, he will disappoint or she will disappoint. It has been a long story, but people are still following him. If you know you won't marry, you marry. Even if she wants to still go school, like I'm one of them, my wife is in the uni. We already have our kids. This young man now already stepped in. And this girl now already love him. So 9 years of relationship is down the drain. It's gone. So this man now is reacting. Close her social media page, start to pull out the story, call her a cheater or call her he disappointed her. So now it's happening once again. So it's in the news. We are hearing it and seeing what is going on. But my reason of doing this news is make it not happen to you. If you are still single, or if you are married, educate your kids. Make such a thing not happen to them. Not be alive and see this kind of thing happen to someone you know. If anyone you know is into a relationship, make you verify the relationship that you are into. Is it a land that belongs to someone, or someone brought the relationship there to your disposal, or how came about? Because Max, there are many other beautiful singers somewhere else. You started liking her because someone made it available for you. Someone made her available for you. So I'm not going to blame you, because some of the people will just say, blah, blah, blah. Yes, you should verify. Don't go and begin to drag a land and begin to propose someone else's boyfriend or girlfriend. Me, I disagree with you. Yeah, it's true to say this one is not man enough. Because if you are a man enough, you should approach Max. Tell him that, see you as man to man, this is my woman. Leave her alone. And that is why I blame this man. And somehow I should also blame this lady. You should be able to tell the man, I can't stay 9 years. I can't stay all these years. You don't marry me. You don't do anything. I have to go. She also complained about beating or domestic violence or whatever. But those ones are not the main issue. The main issue is that you did not leave him on time. I'm sorry. You didn't leave her on time. Now you left when someone is in the picture. So you are trying to lay a wrong foundation for this marriage, or when I won't start. So my advice is people should be very careful what they do. Let me even see if you can see the picture more better. People should be more careful on what they do, so that they will not lay a bad foundation for their future. Now everybody is hearing the news in a very horrific. I saw their music. Actually, and the music was fine. Their song, was fine. People, they even pulled a prank and so on and so forth. To this level, they have come a long way. And this guy did not open up. He did not open up until they go far. So what are you thinking? What are you thinking? So good friend now are good enemy. It's very wrong. It's very bad. Now it happens to be our people. My people. So let's not become enemy where we're supposed to be a protector to each other. So because you now saw Max, you've been crushing on Max. Max now became available for you. Then you just divert. Hey, God. So I blame this man for not being man enough. But it's also not easy for her. 9 years. But if it's a discussion between two of you, so guess what? So the girl also take part of the blame. That is my point. May God save us from this kind of scandal and stress. It's not your portion. May it not be the portion of anyone. And I pray they sort it out, because it's not good for their career as well.